Hey, what's up guys? I just have this SOLPERK manual for the 30-watt solar panel. You got a solar charger and maintainer. We're gonna look at the things that comes in this kit. You can get a bunch of different options from 10 watts all the way to 200 watts. And this is their stuff right here. So this is the solar panel. It gives you all the specs on the back of it. Remember, I have the 30-watt one. So this is all the info in relation to that for mine. It has a little control unit right here, and then it goes out to this cable, which is really long. I just have it bundled up. And then you have a connector right here. It goes out to this guy, which has lights. It manages everything. And then you have your two connectors right there, which you can connect to a battery. You can connect to anything and give it some juice while you're out camping, while the power's out, whatever have you. And of course, on the back of it, you have solar panel. That's this guy. Now let's look at some of the product information. Again, remember, this is a 30-watt panel, guys, for the one that I have. This is a 30-watt 12-volt solar panel. The solar panel converts solar energy into electrical energy to charge or maintain 12-volt rechargeable batteries. It has a 10-amp controller with 3 LED lights, and it protects your battery from overcharging. The product is usually used to charge or maintain 12-volt rechargeable batteries and protect them from damage due to long-term discharge. You have some specifications here with the parameters here. You have some Q&A here. You have your parts list. So this is everything that is included that you're going to get. You have some safety warnings right here, just your kind of basic general stuff. You have a support email, so they got you if you need some help, but I haven't had any issues with it, and I'm taking it camping to, charge my battery. They tell you how it works. So step 1 is going to be to place the solar panel in the sun and adjust it to the optimal angle. You want to make sure there's no obstructions or shadows. Step 2 is to connect the controller to the solar panel. At this time, the first light, which is a blue light, is going to be on, indicating that the solar panel has normal voltage output, meaning that the panel is getting some light and it can give you some power. Step 3 is going to be to connect the controller and the battery clips, and then clip the battery clips correctly on the positive and negative terminals of the battery. The red cable is the positive, the black is for the negative. Make sure that all connections are positive to positive and negative to negative. And then at this height, the secondary light, the red light, will be on, indicating that the solar panel system is charging the battery. And then when the battery is fully charged, the battery voltage reaching a 14.2 volt healthy percent, the third light, which will be a green light, will turn on. And we'll look at those lights in a second. You can see how to install the brackets right here, which I've done in a separate video. You can see some do's and don'ts. Tells you about maintenance. There's no special maintenance. Just clean the panel. That's pretty much it. If you're having some issues, they give you some troubleshooting options and some after sales info. And that's pretty much it with the manual, guys. So this is the SOLPERK solar panel. Again, there's multiple options you can choose from. This thing works good. It works great, actually. Charges my batteries, no problem. It just sits there, doesn't bother anyone. And you can see all of the different in the sun. You have charging and then you have charge. Those are the 3 different LED indicators. Very simple setup, very basic. And you know what? That's good. Leaves you no guessing. You just connect everything, you leave it out in the sun, and then you got charged batteries. So if you want to pick up one of these for yourself, it'll be below. Oh, and stay following to see the camping videos we do. This guy will probably be featured.